Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can hide our profile photos from specific contacts on Telegram. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is opening our Telegram application on our phone, and we're going to go to the Telegram settings. So we can tap on this three lines button on the top left corner of our screen, and we have to click on the settings option. And here on the settings, we have to select privacy and security. And since we want to hide our profile photos from specific contact, we have to select the profile photos setting. Okay, and here as you can see that who can see my profile photos is everybody, and I'm going to add exceptions, so we can tap on this option and click on the add users. Okay, and select the contact you would like to hide your profile photo from. And for example, I'm going to hide my profile photo from this contact, so we can just tap on the contacts and click on this check mark. Okay, and click on this check mark to save the Telegram setting. Okay, and now my profile photo will be hidden from the context that I have just added to the add exception. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide our profile photos from specific contacts on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.